Hi everyone, this is Fagun Shah from Integration Lab YouTube channel, and today we are going to see a Pabbly app which is launched just few hours back, which is called Pabbly Connect Manager. And basically it is an API access to Pabbly's internal function. They have started with I think so 6 sections, and we are going to check that right now. Okay, so now if you go to your Pabbly Connect account and go to settings, now you will see one extra tab called API, and you can click on this generate API token, copy it. Then if you go to your workflow and if you select the Pabbly Connect Manager and select whatever action you like and click on add new connection and just add the API token and you are connected, right? So these are the actions which are added. So yeah, total of 5 actions. We are going to check all of them one by one. So let's first start with the search custom app. Okay, so let's do the search. I have already connected it. I am not going to show my token right here. So I have a app, custom app in my account which consists of word ninja. So yeah, I find that particular app, right? App API ninjas here, and now I want to share this particular thing to another Pabbly account of mine. And so what I am going to do is I am going to again use the Pabbly Connect Manager app, and let's do the share custom app, right? And let's save it. And instead of passing it by selecting manually, okay, something like this, we can also pass it from the above step, right? And how do I pass that? So right, let me select this one, okay, and my email address will be, so the email address will be dynamic. If someone is paying you, you can map their email address here and you can give them access to a particular app as well, right? Based on like what they have selected in the checkout on your Stripe checkout, or maybe on your WooCommerce checkout or something like that, right? And you can give the permission user or editor. For now I am just going to give the user access, so here. And now if we go back to my another account and if we refresh this workflow page, so API ninja only have the action part, not the trigger part. So let's search it in the API ninjas private. Okay, so now it is available in here and I can use it, right? So yeah, it works. Now let's try something similar, which is revoke action. So let's suppose you want to only give access to a particular person or particular account only for 1 year, right? Then you can remove it as well. So let's choose the API ninja again and android@gmail.com. let's try this, right? And let's do a save and send test request, and it is revoked, right? So let's refresh this, and ninja. Okay, so now you can see API ninja is not available anymore here, right? So yeah, this is working fine, okay, as expected. I also want to check something else. Let me do something like this first. So let's go here and let's do something like share custom app action and save it. I want to check what happens if that person has already started using that custom app, So let's add them here, and now let's go to API ninjas and let's log into that account of mine, and I will just copy this thing. I will refresh this workflow page one more time, and okay, let's select the ninja. Okay, it is still not showing up here, so I think so there is some kind of bug in this one, maybe ninja. Okay, let me do hard refresh. just to see if it works or not. And let me see in here as well if I have, oh, I chose the wrong app, so I need to use this one, API Ninjas. And yeah, let's go back here, Control Shift R, and let's wait for it to load. API Ninjas, right? Now let's actually use one of its action and let's see what happens. So let's use the password generator, connect it, and enter the API key here. And okay, so we have length of 5, hit save and send test request, right? We have the password. Now let's suppose I want to remove that and that person is already using it. What will happen in that case? It says it is successfully removed. I mean, this should not be happening at all actually, but I think so the old one will still be there. So let me check again. Ninja, yeah, so the old step will be still there, which is a great thing, but you won't be able to add any new extra steps. That's nice. I mean, let me see, what if I clone this? Yeah, I can still clone it, and let me see if I can change the actions or not. Yep, I am able to do that as well. So yeah, the cloning is working, but not directly adding it as a action step in the workflow, which is little bit weird. I mean, they should not be able to clone it as well, but yeah, I mean, it's fine. So okay, these 3 actions are done. Now let's move to other 2, which is manager. Let's do public connect manager. And okay, so the search workflow. Okay, let's search by OpenAI. I want to give you 2 examples here. So if we search by OpenAI, now that name only has one workflow in my account, right? But let's suppose we use it something like test. Okay, and you will see that there are many workflows and we are getting ID of all those workflows. So yeah, that is a nice thing. But what I would have liked here was that if we have share URL, then it will be much more easier to send that share URL to someone in case of requirement, right? So yeah, that would be a good feature to have. I hope that Pabbly team adds that as well as they improve the work API, right? And let's try to change the workflow status. Okay, so here, and let's go to my dashboard. Okay, let's try to turn off switchboard tutorial one, right? So switchboard tutorial workflow status, currently it is, you can see it is active, and we are going to turn it off. And if we refresh it, it is turned off. And if we do save and send test request again, it will it is on again, right? Wait a second. Oh, I did the is already, yeah, that's nice, it's already paused, so that's a good thing. And let me refresh this, so it should be on now. Yeah, so yeah, this was requirement of many users that they want to turn off and on workflows based on the scheduler of another workflow, right? So yeah, now you can do that as well. And yeah, this is a great addition by Pabbly team, and I liked it a lot. This is like super helpful for all the freelancers and people who are going to create custom app and sell those custom apps, right? So it will be much more easier for them to share their custom apps via forms or maybe via payment gateway or something like that. And it will be also much more easier to change the workflow statuses as well, right? So yeah, I hope that you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.